Hello, we are going to do lesson 17, which is about solving measurement problems. That's right, we're doing problem solving or word problems, which I know makes some of you a little stressed. The key to making this easy, though, is to stop, slow down, think about it. You don't need to be in a hurry. Don't rush to try and get the answer. Slow down and think. So how we're going to slow down and think is we're going to read it three times, and you're going to stop and discuss it with someone. Whether this is a classmate on Hangouts, that would be my preference, is to find somebody you know and get them online so that you can do this together. But you could also get a family member if someone's available. If no one, pets are good listeners, or even a stuffed animal. In my house right now, everyone's busy. I can't get anyone on Hangouts, so I am going to do this with Gruffalo. So my partner is Gruffalo. He's pretty good at math. So there are two problems, other ones on the next page, so make sure that you do both. So here's how the three read thing goes. So first, read it without the numbers. And I took the numbers out of the problem, so all you have to do is read it, and it will automatically have the numbers removed. Samantha is making some punch for a class picnic. There are some students in her class. Samantha uses some gallons and quarts of orange juice, some quarts of lemonade, and some gallons and quarts of sparkling water. So stop and talk. What's going on here? What's going on here, Gruffalo? Whoa. Gruffalo thinks that Samantha is making some punch. What questions do you think they might ask? Gruffalo thinks that they probably want to know how much punch she made, and maybe even how much the kids get. So we're going to type that in, what Gruffalo and I are thinking. Oh, look how fast I type. Second, let's get to the actual question. So we know that she's making some for class, and we know we've got gallons and quarts of three different ingredients. The question actually is, how much did Sam make? Oh, you were right, Gruffalo. He says, thank you. Will there be enough for each student to have some punch? So will it be enough for each one to have some? No, so we probably need to figure out how much they get. Okay, what do you think we'll need, Gruffalo? How are we going to do this? Gruffalo thinks we're probably going to have to add up all those gallons and quarts. Add. And we've got a tool here. This might help, the land of G. Gruffalo also thinks we might have to divide the total amount later by the kids to know how much each one gets. Okay, Gruffalo, here it is again with the numbers. Now we know there's 26 students in our class. Oh, and now we know that we've got a gallon and 2 quarts. We've got the exact amounts. Okay, so Gruffalo, we can just add up the gallon and 2 quarts of orange juice, the 3 more quarts. We can figure out all the quarts pretty easy, right? I'm not going to put the answer down. Yeah, he doesn't want you guys to just copy his work. And then once we know the total amount, can each student have 2 1-cup servings? So these are these little cups here. Can they each have 2 cups? Can they each have a pint? So how many pints will we have once we add up all that stuff? Okay, so you will explain your thinking here, put your 2 answers up there, and then you'll go on to number 2. And that's all you have to do. But make sure that you talk to somebody about it. And do your best, even if you get these wrong. We'll make a video with all the solutions, and we'll send that to you after you turn it in. Okay, good luck.